सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम क्लास 6 साइंस के चैप्टर 12 दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड सर्किट्स का कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इजीली इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी एंड लाइट एनर्जी। ऑप्शन गिवन आर काइनेटिक एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी और मस्कुलर एनर्जी। Your correct answer is it is electrical energy or electric energy which is converted easily into mechanical energy, sound energy, heat energy and light energy. Next, one of the following is needed to run a radio. This is heat, electricity, light, petrol. That is electricity is needed to run a radio. So option B is correct. Where do we get electricity from? Option given are wire, metal, sun or battery. That is battery. From which we get electricity. So option D is correct. Next, electricity flows in an electric circuit which is closed, open, round or square. Electricity flows only in a closed circuit. So option A is correct. Open circuit is also called switched on, switched off, both A and B or none of the above. Open circuit, that is switched off. Answer B is correct. When we switched off an electric circuit, the circuit becomes open and there is no current flows in the circuit. Next, an example of non-conductor of electricity is a coin, battery, rubber glove, metal spoon. The given from this given option, non-conductor or bad conductor of electricity, that is rubber glove. Option C is correct. Next, in an electric bulb, light is produced due to the glowing of the glass case of the bulb, the thin filament, the thick wire supporting the filament, gases inside glass case of the bulb. The light is produced due to the glowing of the thin filament. That is option B is correct. Next question. The filament of an electric bulb is made of a thin wire of copper, aluminum, tungsten or nichrome. Filament of electric bulb is made of tungsten. Option C is correct. Next question. Electric cell is used in mobile phones, transistor, cameras, all of these. Your right answer is all of these. Electric cell is a source of electricity. It is used in transistor, cameras, mobile phones, etc. Next question. Metal that can be used to make a connecting wire. Copper, silver, aluminum, all of these. Your option D is correct, that is all of these. Connecting wire is made up of good conductor of electricity. Generally, metals are good conductor of electricity. So copper, silver और aluminium ये सब यूज कर सकते हैं कनेक्टिंग वायर बनाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर द टू प्लेसेस ऑन ए बैटरी टू व्हिच वायर्स कैन बी अटैच्ड? स्विच, फिलामेंट्स, टर्मिनल्स, इंसुलेटर्स. Two places on a battery to which wires can be attached, that are called as terminals. That is positive terminal and negative terminal. Next question. How many terminals are there in an electric cell? There are two terminals. So option B is correct. Next question number 13. It is a simple device used in electric circuits to make or break the electric circuit. It is a filament of bulb, electric cell, electric switch or insulator. To make or break the electric circuit, it is electric switch. So option C is correct. Next question. Which part of the electric cell generally acts as positive terminal of the cell? Metal disc, metal cap, either A or B, none of these. Positive terminal, that is metal cap. Metal disc of electric cell is a positive terminal, a negative terminal, sometimes negative and sometimes positive, none of the above. Metal disc is your negative terminal. Okay, your positive terminal is metal cap and metal disc is negative terminal. That is, non-metals like dash and dash are conductor of electricity. Wood and paper, glass and rubber, graphite and gas carbon, none of these. Usually metals are conductor of electricity, but some non-metals like graphite and gas carbon are also conductor of electricity. So option C is correct. Next, question number 17. In an electric circuit, the two terminals of the electric cell are connected directly to each other, connected to the filament of the bulb, connected to the two terminals of the bulb. All the above are correct. Two terminals of electric cell are connected to the two terminals of the bulb. So answer option C is correct. Next, Paheli is running short of connecting wires. To complete an electric circuit, she may use a glass bangle, thick thread, rubber pipe और स्टील स्पून. पहले कुछ कनेक्टिंग वायर में उसको थोड़ा छोटा पड़ रहा है, तो कौन सा इनमें से जो दिया गया है क्या यूज करने से उसका इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कंप्लीट हो पाएगा, यानी कि ये गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होना चाहिए. तो योर ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज स्टील स्पून, इज राइट आंसर. यस. नेक्स्ट, question number 19. The colored plastic covering on an electric wire makes the electric wire long lasting, more attractive, resistant to corrosion, safe to touch. सब इलेक्ट्रिक वायर के ऊपर में प्लास्टिक का कवरिंग होता है. क्यों होता है? इट इज सेफ टू टच. सो ऑप्शन D is correct. Next, question number 20. It is your last question. Electric cell converts electric energy into chemical energy, heat energy into electric energy, chemical energy into electric energy, or electric energy into light energy. Electric cell converts chemical energy into electric energy. So your option C is correct. Yes, that is, the chemicals in the cell react to produce electricity. Yes. Okay. Thank you.